the biggest headache right now in business is actually finding the right product. Yes, finding the right product. So there are a lot of importers or a business person, or even if you are just starting a business out, I know the most important part is actually product. And see, you see this important part, which is product. A lot of people actually don't know how to choose the right product, and in this video that is what I am actually going to be teaching you guys. And I'm going to be teaching you how to actually look for the right product, like the winning product that you can actually sell on your Amazon store, eBay, or anywhere you are in the world, guys. Any store you are, even you can actually run adverts and you can actually sell all these products, guys. So that is what I am going to be teaching you in this video. So now, without wasting much of your time, let us jump right into the video. So as you can see right here, so this is a product I have right here on my screen, guys. So in case you don't know what it is, so this is a Pinduoduo. So it's a Chinese app where you can actually buy goods from China, guys. So you see this product right here. So this is a winning product. Yes, this is a winning product right here. So before we get into that, I want to tell you something. So now let us check this product out. So if you look at this section right here, let me highlight it, guys. So let me just show you. So if you look at this section right here, so what do you see here? This product has over 44,000 comments. So for a product to have over 44,000 comments, that shows you that this product is actually selling. And it's not just selling, it's selling fast, like way too fast, guys. And that is one sign. And also another thing you should know is that this product that has 44,000, know that this product has sold nothing less than over 100,000 pieces. Yes, over 100,000 pieces. In fact, I would say over 200,000 pieces, because you actually see this 44,000 comments. I'll say this is just like 10% of people, because a lot of people don't actually put a product review on any product they actually get online, guys. Yes, a lot of people don't actually put product reviews. So this 44,000 is just like 1% of the people that actually purchase this product. Yes, guys. And so another thing I also want to show you is that this product actually solves problem. So that is also another thing. So a product that actually solves problem will actually sell fast, guys. Will actually sell a lot, guys. A product that actually make life easier, improve comfort, help businesses make money, or any product that actually solve problem entirely will actually give you more money, guys. So what's the problem this product solve? It is quite easy, guys. So as you can see, according to this video, let me just play the video a little bit so you can actually see. Okay, it's loading. So as you can see, guys, so what this product is, that is just like a net, and it's actually protect your bathroom, guys. So as you can see here, I don't know where you're from. So if you live in any Africa home, especially let's just say you live in Nigeria, guys, this product will actually stop cockroaches from entering your bathroom, guys. You won't have to deal with any cockroaches, guys. So if you actually get this product and you actually market it the right way, you will actually sell a lot. And the thing also you should also notice is that this product is very, very cheap, guys. It's not even up to 1 yuan. So that's also one thing, very, very cheap. And also the third thing that also qualify this product as a winning product is that this product also, it is quite easy to ship. For example, now you can actually buy this product and start shipping through air in case you started getting a large order, guys. So you don't actually have to spend a lot of money to actually have your product on ground. No, you can actually start with a little, guys. So let's say you want to start with 100 pieces. You can actually start with that little, guys. And when you start seeing the rates the order starts coming in, guys, you can actually quickly order a new one, and you will actually ship through air, and you will get your goods within 1 to 2 weeks, guys. So as you can see, guys, so this product also qualify for that aspect, guys, because you can actually ship this product through air. So there are a lot of things that actually matters a lot when you are looking for a winning product, and that's just another thing. And the next thing now is this product actually solves problem. This product solves problem. So like I said, it prevents cockroaches from entering your bathroom, guys. And if you are someone like me, in fact, not even only me, guys, a lot of people, cockroach irritates them, guys. So it irritates them a lot. So if we can actually get a product that can help us to solve that issue, everybody will be happy, guys. Everybody will be happy. So there are a lot of ways you can actually market this product, like I said, guys. So if you actually want to know how to market this product, just subscribe to this channel, guys, and I'm going to be teaching you different ways on how to like market your product and sell in your country, guys. So that's just it. So now, as you can see here, the price is just 0.81 yuan. So now let's go to another. So this is 1688, guys, and let us actually check if we can actually get like a better price on 1688. So now just go to this camera icon. So let's click on it and click on the product, guys. So let's click on the product. So now let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. It's loading. So this is the product right here, guys. So I don't know what's wrong with my connection. My connection is not really stable right now, and I actually want to like complete this video. So I want to show you something right here. So as you can see here, these prices right here, as you can see here, 0.05 yuan, 0.05 yuan. You can even see here 0.02 yuan, 0.01 yuan. So this place you can even get the product for even cheaper. And also, like I said winning products are actually products that solve problems. So now if you look at this section right here, as you can see here, yes, it's 324k sold, 127k sold, 361k sold. So this shows you that this product actually sells a lot. And as you can see here also, this here also has 34k sold. So that's a lot of numbers, guys. So you can actually buy this product and you can also jump on the journey and you start making money for yourself. And also, don't think that because of this high purchasing rates you would think that the product is actually like saturated. No, there's nothing like saturated, guys. Not everybody has this product. In fact, not every household has this product. So don't always think that products are actually like saturated. It is you that actually have to work on your target audience. So that's just it. If you work on your target audience, you will know that these products can actually sell, guys. So it's just like, let's just say blender now. So you would think everybody owns a blender. No, everybody don't owns a blender, guys. So you can actually also like buy a blender. If you know how to like market it well, you can actually market it for people that actually don't have it in their household. So that is just it. And also, so another thing you can also check is that this product is not a fragile item. So always avoid products that are fragile item, guys. So as you can see here, this is not a fragile item, so you can actually ship it anyhow. Like you can actually ship it through air and you will get it in no time, guys, in case you started having a large order, like I said before. So another thing is also that it's not a seasonal product. So these are the things you need to like check if you actually want to like find a winning product. So it's not a seasonal product. Another thing is also is that it's not a every product. So these products actually qualify for all these things that I'm mentioning, guys. So that is actually how to find a winning product, guys. And the most important thing is that it solves problem. And what problem does it solve? It solves cockroach problem, like lies, any other thing that can actually come into your toilet, guys, that you can be seeing in your bathroom. So this product actually solves that problem, guys. So if you have any question at all, like any question you want to ask, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and I'm going to be answering you guys. So like I said, this is mini import and we teach importation and business. So if you want to learn more about business or importation, guys, make sure you subscribe, guys, because this is the type of video we drop. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.